How to fix PlayStation 5 queued for download error. Here's how to fix PlayStation 5 queued for download error. 1. If you met the above mentioned error for the first time, you have to, unfortunately, do a complete factory reset. Warning, this would lead to removing your data from the console. Anyway, you may still dig around the data transfer option under System Software. Hint, to reset your console, go to Settings System. Select System Software. Select Reset Options. Select Reset your console. Select Reset. Your PS5 will then restart itself and you'll reconfigure your machine later. 2. If you've met the error before, you may use iPhone to record your gaming screenshots, and save, make backup of, all your data you need, and then reset your PS5 later. 3. Contact PlayStation 5 support team for more info.